Yeah, good morning students. Today is in your fundamentals of computer and today's revisions we are going to see rules in the K-map. Okay, do you remember yesterday we have discussed about your K-map, what is a Karnaugh map and all, what is the use of that Karnaugh map and all we have discussed. Do you remember how to draw that one for one variable, two variables, okay, three variables and all we have discussed, three variables, four variables also yesterday I have discussed. Okay, ma'am. So same thing in that what are you going, do you remember this one, ma'am, with the one variable what it is, A. So this is your, what is it, this is your A dash and this is your A. In that way we have to represent this one. If it is a two variable what it is, this is your A dash A, this will be your A dash A, this will be your B dash B, right? So obviously here what will come, this will be your A dash A. So here it is BC matlab you should, this is B dash C dash, this will be your B dash C, there will be your BC and this will be your BC dash. In this way the combinations and all will come. Okay, yesterday's class we have discussed this one, three variables till four variables I have discussed. So wherever you are seeing your zeros means that will be your dash, so it will be your A dash B dash, this will be your C dash D dash. Okay, in that way the combinations will come. If you want on the side I'll write it down once again. This is your A dash B dash, there will be your A dash B, right? So this will be your AB, then this will be your A B dash. This is for the four variables. This one what it is, C dash D dash, C dash D, C D, C D dash. In this way the four variables and all. Till this we have discussed. Today what we are going to see, if you see, today we are going to see what are the rules inside your K map. Okay, we have to follow certain rules. Six rules are there. That's it. Okay, using the six rules only we can able to simplify the given expression. That also I said yesterday and I said K map is meant for simple to minimize the boolean expressions. To minimize that one, certain rules you should remember. What is this? It's very simple rules. Okay, so one by one we'll see. So groups, for the first one, the first rule inside it, groups may include any cell containing 0. Okay, must not, may not, it should not. So you should not make a group of a 0. For example, I have taken here if I am having like this, I am having like this. Suppose I have an input like this. For example, I have an, so how you have to make a group? I have to make a group of 1. Wherever 1 is there, I can make a group like this. I can make a group of it. You cannot make a group of 0 with 1 0. Or suppose if I have a 0 like this, if I am making a group like this is wrong. Okay, only you should make a group of ones. You should not make a group of 0. This is the first rule. Only you should make a group of ones, not for zeros. Okay, this is the first rule. Very simple. So you should make a group of ones again and again. Next, groups may be horizontal or vertical but not diagonal. What is that horizontal, vertical? It should be, the group either should be on horizontal like this, horizontal, or vertical. I'll show you that one. Suppose I have like this. Okay, so how many variables I have? 4 means AB, right? 2 variable K map that we discussed, 0 1 0 1. Do you remember? Okay, okay, inside this what it is, suppose I have my 1 1 0 0. So what I showed you here, you can make a group either like this, horizontal, or you can make a group of vertical. This is also allowed. This is also correct. You can make it. You should not, suppose if it is like this, you should not make it. Okay, your A B 0 1 0 1. Suppose I have a 1 like this. And under this if you are making it like this is wrong. This is, you should not do it. This is wrong. Okay, this is wrong, ma. Okay, you cannot make it horizontal. Either like this, horizontal is okay, this vertical is also correct. Correct one. Okay, this is wrong. Vertically it is not, diagonally it is not, diagonally it is not allowed. Only horizontally or vertically it is allowed. Like this, horizontally, vertically. And group should be only for the ones, not for the zeros. These are the two first groups. So first I have discussed, you have to make a group of 1. Wherever 1 is there, you should make a group, and the group should be either horizontally or vertically, not diagonally. This is the two rules. These two rules. Okay. Today you have to learn this one. So study this, your rules. What are the different K rules? Come to your third rule. Third rule, what I have given, group must contain either 2, 4, 8. That is means what? 2 to the power of n cells. 2 to the power of n. So suppose I have a group like this. You can make a group. How you can make a group is, this is the third important rule. Remember this. So how many variables it is? 8 is there means 3 variables. A, B, C, right? 3 variables. How to make it? This is 0, 1 for A. For B, C, these and all. Again, no need to repeat. Please practice this one for the 3 variables. How to do one? This one will be your 0, 0, 0, 1. Then 1, 0 will come here, 1, 1 here. Okay? Yesterday only I said these things. So remember those things, ma. Okay, suppose I have it like this. So what I'm telling, groups must contain either 2 ones, 4 ones, 8 ones, like this. Okay, that means 2 to the power of n. This is what I wanted to tell, 2 to the power of n cells. So group should be in that way. Suppose I have it like this. I'm having an input like this, you imagine. So how can I make a group is, I can make a group of like this, 2, 1 only I can make it. Because you can at least have your one should be, a group should have minimum started with a 2. Okay, and this is separate one. This is a separate group. That is separate. You cannot make a group of 3 like this. I have a 3 continuous. No, I can make it. This is wrong. This is wrong. You can only make a group of 2, 4, 8, 16. In that way it is okay. 2 to the power of n. So this one you remember. We can only make a group of 2 to the power of n cells, not 3, 5, nothing like that. You can't make it, group it in this way. If you are making a group, if you are getting a number also, only 2 you can make a group, remaining one will be separate. That one will be separate. Okay, so that is your third rule. Come to your fourth one. Each group should be as large as possible. What is that, as large as possible? So you have taken this 2 example I have taken. Same example I have taken. Okay, here what it is, as much as large as possible. If you see here, I can make a group of like this 2 and then one more 2. Instead of make like this, you can make it, right? I can make a group of like this and make it, because you said no, the group should be either 2. So I can make a group of like this. Okay, this is also correct. But what is the main rule? As much as possible, if I can make a 2, 2 instead of this one, I can make one single 4, which can still reduce my expression. When I'm solving an example, you understand. So as much as possible, as much as large, you can able to do it. If I'm getting a continuous, do it. This is wrong. Instead of making 2, 1, combine it if it is possible, combine it and make as large as possible. So that is the meaning of as large as possible. Getting next. So that is your fourth rule. Right. Groups may overlap. Groups can be overlapped. So here you see what is a group. I can make it as large as possible according to this one, as large as possible. So what it is, I can do it. How much I can do it? Can I make it 2, 2? Because I have 1, 4 is there. I can make a continuous group, this one. Right. So this is one group which you already know, maximum group. Here I have again one more 2. Okay, instead of making this one more 2 like this, okay, separately like this, I can overlap. Overlap means instead of this 2, this can be overlap. Can you see the overlap here? I'm making an overlap here. Means I'm overlapping the previous groups with this group, with the newly group one. So this is my group 1. This is, if you take, this is my group 1. So with that group 1, I have a 1 which can be combined over here, and this I'm overlapping. This is my group 2. In this way, you can able to overlap if it is availabilities. Possibilities is that you can overlap. That is the meaning of the overlap. Fifth rule is correct. Play with this. So this is your overlaps. Okay. If you have any doubts, post me in my personal WhatsApp. Next, groups may overlap around the table. May wrap. So this word you will remember. May wrap around the table. That is what is that wrapping concept, I'll tell you. Suppose I have an example like this. Okay, what is it? The left row and column. Okay, just think of your row and your column. Okay, in your row, if I'm taking this, take this row over here. So this is my row, right? So this is my leftmost, this is my rightmost. The leftmost cell is grouped with the rightmost. Means I have this one I have here. I one corner is there. Nowhere, remaining and all zeros I have. So what you will think, ma'am, I can't make it a group and all, because each single you can wrap it. You can just make a fold of it like this. You just fold and imagine. If you fold like this one will come over beside here. You can make a group like this. Just imagine the leftmost and the rightmost can be wrapped, can be folded. So just imagine if this one comes over here, it will come here, right? So you can able to make a group. So what is that meaning? I am wrapping this one with this one for the column. Sorry, for the row. For this row, and again the same like this for this row also I'm making a group. So if possibilities is there, leftmost and rightmost can be wrapped and make a one group. Here what it is, for the row I said, for the column what it is, topmost, this is the topmost, this is the bottommost. So top and bottom can be wrapped. Just fold it in this way. If I'm folding it in the other way, so this one and this one means your this one and this one can be wrapped. Imagine it can be wrapped it and considered as one group. Same way here also. This is your topmost, this is your bottommost. So this is your topmost group wrapped with your bottommost. Getting topmost and bottommost. In this you can able to wrap it and make a group. Okay, so this 6 rules you have to follow it. These 6 rules you by heart it today. Today your exercise is to learn all these 6 rules. Any doubts you have to be get clarified. Once again I'll just repeat it. What is the first rule? The first rule, you make a zeros of ones. You should not make a zero of, you cannot make a group of zeros. Only a one should be made a group. This is correct, this is wrong. Okay, the second one, horizontal and vertical. You can make a group of make a group either horizontally or you can make it vertically. You cannot make it diagonally. This is the second rule, easiest one. The third one, what I said, the third one is you can make a group of 2 to the power of n cells, either 2, 4, 8, 16 goes on in that way. You can't make a group of 3, 5, 1 and all. You can make one is okay. One is it doesn't comes under a group, but you can't make a group of 3, 5. Okay, 7 odd numbers are not always, it should be 2 to the power of n cells. So this is wrong. So each group must be as large as possible. Even though I'm getting like this, as large I can able to make a thing, I can able to reduce the things. Like groups may overlap. Okay, so what is that overlap? I have a group of like this. I made one group already. This both ones are in that group can be overlapped and make one more group. So that is the meaning of your overlap. So I can able to make a group of overlap. Next, what it is? Next, groups can be wrapped around it. Means in your row and column, in your row, if you take the leftmost and the rightmost can be wrapped it, can be turned it and made it as one group. This is very important too. The last one, if you see, if you are getting it, you can able to wrap it. Okay, and if it is in the column wise, topmost and bottommost can be wrapped. So these are the 6 basic rules which you have to follow to simplify your given to simplify the given expressions. So learn these 6 rules today. So these are any doubts, you can post it in my WhatsApp. Thank you.